Here is the topping of questions. Why do we act surprised when our bodies become inflamed, exhausted, overweight, and unhealthy? When we have removed almost every opportunity for the body to clean and repair itself, what if I told you the human body has a built-in repair mode? Yes, we have built-in repair mode inside our body, not a supplement, not a medication, not a detox tea, not a miracle cure, a real biology program inside your body, one that humans have used for thousands of years, but most people never activated. Yes, we never activate our built-in repair mode. Let me ask you why never activated before? Because they are always feeding the body. Yes, we always feeding our body and never stop eating and never giving it time to work on itself. So, before we continue, tell me in the comments below how many hours can you go without eating? 6, 8, 12, or 16? Because what I'm about to share may completely change how you think about your food and about your health. Okay, most people believe this. My body is failing. My metabolism is broken. I'm getting older. My genes are bad. But let's think logically together. When you cut your skin, who heals it? You or who? Yes, your body. When you catch a virus, who fights it? You or your body? Yes, the answer is your body. When a bone breaks, who rebuilds it? The body. Your body is trying to keep you alive every single second. The real question here isn't can the body repair itself? The real question is are we giving our body the opportunity to start doing this? Do you think the human body is stronger than most people realize? I want you to type yes if you agree with me in the comments below. So, what humans did for thousands of years. For most of human history, people didn't eat 6 times per day. No refrigerators, no delivery apps, no snacks, no protein bars, no midnight ice cream. Humans lived through cycles. Yes, cycle of eating, then wait, eat, then wait. The body adapts to those cycles. Today, many people eat from the moment they wake up until the moment they sleep, and the body never gets a break. You have two moods inside your body. I want everyone to remember this. Your body operates in two major states: feeding mode and repair mode. When food keeps arriving all day inside your digestive tract, like this one, the body spends most of its energy processing nutrients, right? But when food is absent for a period of time, different biological processes begin to increase. Fat becomes available for energy. Insulin here begin from the pancreas to begin to fall down inside your bloodstream, and cellular maintenance increase. The body starts paying attention to itself. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever tried intermittent fasting? Type yes or no in the comments section below and I'm gonna see it. Okay, in 2016, the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine was awarded for discoveries related to autophagy. Autophagy literally means self-eating. Sounds scary, right? But it's not. Think of it as a recycling, the body identifying all the damaged components. If you have here any damaged cellular component inside your body, here, the body start identifying all the damaged components inside your body, not only inside your digestive tract, breaking them down and reuse what is useful. Imagine cleaning your garage, throwing away your junk, keeping what matters. That's simple way to understand autophagy. Yes, your body can do it alone without any interfering from you or from doctors. Some people report better energy, better appetite control, improved relationship with food, and better awareness of hunger. Also, weight management support, metabolic flexibility. Now, let's be clear. Fasting is not the magic, and it's not a cure for everything for sure, but it's one of the most fascinating tools researchers continue to study for decades. I want everyone watching right now to answer honestly. What is harder for you? Giving up sugar, giving up late night snacks, skipping breakfast, for example, eating less often? Write your answer in the comments and I'm gonna read them all. Okay, here is what I want you to remember tonight. The human body here is not weak. The human body is not stupid. The human body is not designed to fail or to be diseased. It's designed to adapt. Yes, to adapt, to repair, to survive, to recover. Sometimes the healthiest thing you can do is stop constantly interfering with the work your body is already trying to do. Okay, for the next 7 days, don't change what you eat. Okay, it's a challenge. Don't change what you eat, change when you eat. Yes, when you gonna start to eat and feed yourself and feed your whole entire ecosystem inside here and the trillions of microorganisms inside here, your digestive tract, who controls your brain, your hormones, your mood, and also your metabolism. Give your body a little more space between meals. Then come back to this channel and tell me what happened. Did your energy change? Did your hunger change? Did your sleep change? Yes. Did your cravings you have suffered from a change or not? I swear, all of it will change. I want every person who accept this challenge to write down I'm in, okay, in the comments. And if you believe that your body deserves to learn how amazing the human body really is, subscribe to Dr. T Health because our next live will answer an even bigger question. If the body has a repair mood, what are the everyday habits silently turning that repair mode off?